Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some more frankening. I want to franken an eyeshadow, a shimmer shadow. I haven't done that yet. And I want to franken another blush because I enjoyed making that one blush. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. I'm going back into this Pina Colada palette by the Beauty Crop, and I want to take the shade Mermaid because that's a really pretty shade, but it is not a good, it doesn't perform well. But I like the color, so I am going to actually mix it with an older palette that I've decluttered out of my stash, and it's this Kevyn Aucoin Jewel Pop, and it's this citrine right here, which is a really pretty, I mean, it is really a pretty shimmer. And so I'm going to mix the two together and see if I can come up with a shade that performs very well. I'm going to fast forward through this, so I'm just going to let y'all see what I'm doing. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, I like that shade. I hope I have enough mixed up here. This is a lot different than doing a matte. This is like a putty. I'm not sure if I'm going to need alcohol or maybe just a tiny bit. Where's my pan? I pulled out one of these small pans. So let's get it in here. I'm going to put a little drop of alcohol in it, not much, just a little. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, there it is. That's what it looks like. I hope you can see that pretty good. That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay, let's set this aside. There we go. We will let that dry and check it out later in another video. Now let's put this here. Let me flip my paper over. Now I want to make a blush, and I've decided to use what's in my project pan, this butter bronzer. I want to use this as part of my blush. I'm never going to hit pan at the rate I'm going by the end of this year, so go ahead and use this. And to go with it, I'm going back in this palette, and I'm going with this watermelon pink that I used in the other blush I made. I'll start with a little bit. Okay, I think that'll work. Let me fold this. There's not a lot in here. I'm nowhere near filled up that pan, but I think I am just going to stop there. If I really like it, I can always mix up more later, so. Okay, there we go. So we'll let these dry. And yeah, I'm going to stop there today. So I thank you all for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any ideas of things you'd like me to try to Franken, just let me know. And I will see you guys next time.